Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use vitamin E capsules for face. Pierce one capsule with a clean tool and squeeze a pea-sized drop on fingertips, then dab onto target areas. Gently massage in circular motions for 30 to 60 seconds until absorbed. Avoid the eye rim and open wounds, and stop use if irritation occurs. Store capsules in a cool, dark place away from heat. Pick a high-quality vitamin E capsule labeled pure tocopherol or mixed tocopherols for facial use. Look for minimal additives and no strong fragrance to reduce irritation risk. If you have oily or acne-prone skin, choose lower strength or dilute with a gentle carrier oil like jojoba. Always test a small area first and use sparingly to evaluate how your skin reacts over several days. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making practical skincare guides. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for dependable comfort that outlasts most replacements. It's a small upgrade that feels great after a face care routine. Look in the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Apply vitamin E oil at night to maximize absorption and lower sun sensitivity risk. A single drop mixed into your moisturizer or applied to dry patches prevents greasy buildup. Use gentle upward strokes and avoid tugging the skin, focusing on scars, fine lines, and dry spots. Frequency of use can be every other night initially, increasing as tolerated, and always monitor your skin for any negative reactions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.